Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 9.2 question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Let us find. We know that we know that we know we know that volume is equal to know that volume volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth, length into breadth into height. Now I will find the volume of first question. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is 5a. Length is 5a into 3a square into 7 a to the power 4. We multiply 3, first multiply the number, that is 5 into 3 into 7 into a square into a to the power 4. If we multiply the number, first multiply the number, then we are getting 321. Multiply 21 with 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 5 to 10, that is 105. 105. And we multiply this one, a4, a2, if you, that is a to the power 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, a to the power 105, a to the power 7, and that is the volume. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is volume equal to length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is 2p into 4q into 8r. First of all multiply the numbers, that is 2 into 4 into 8 into p into q into r. That comes to 48, it is a 64 p q r, and that is the answer. Question number 3 is volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is xy into 2 x square y into 2 xy square, that is equal to, first multiply the number, that is 2 into 2 into xy into x square y into xy square into xy square y square, that is equal to 22 is 4. Here you see x square, x cube, x to the power 4, x to the power 4, y square, y cube, y to the power 4, it is 4, x to the power 4, y to the power 4, and that is the answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see volume is equal to volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is A into breadth is 2b and height is 3c. First of all, multiply the numbers, that is 2 into 3 into A into B into C, and that is equal to 2 3 is 6 A B C. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.